Hey guys, welcome to the LZH project. My name is Salman Francis, and this is the fifth part of the LZH project series. And I'm really excited about this video because it has some really practical uses for all the Linux users. And since we are working on CentOS 7, and I will show you something new, which was not available in the earlier versions. And well, today we will start with a few basic commands again. Especially I would like to show how you can check your IP address in CentOS. So to check your IP address in CentOS 7, you'll type, well, if config is gone. This was the old command to check the IP address, but now it's no more available. So in order to check your IP address, you'll type IP addr show and press enter, and you can see that it's giving you the information like inet 192.168.1.240, and since I'm using the private IP address of class C, and so here is all the information and about my Ethernet, my MAC address, all the information about my connection. Okay. So we can change this IP address with a new utility. Well, I will go into this into detail in my next videos, but for all the newbies, these are the tools. This is a new tool called Network NM2UI, and you press enter. It will present you with a new screen. So if you would like to edit the connection, you can click on edit. If you want to activate the connection, well, it's simple, straightforward. So let's edit our connection. Press enter. Okay, you can move with the tab key with add or edit. I'll just go to edit, press enter, and here I can just move with my arrow keys or my tab key. So if I want to change, let's say my IP address or something, I can change my IP address like here, 241 or anything I would like, and then I can add the gateway or your router address and the DNS server. If you want, you can add more DNS servers, like you can add more DNS server, and then you can add routing here as well, but more with this stuff later. And once you are done, you will just go and click OK. I'm just hitting the cancel key. So anyway, you just press OK, then you press quit, and once you are done, you're good to go. Okay, let's clear the screen. In order to start your network services, you will use systemctl command with restart network.service, and more with the systemctl thing later, but this is how you restart your network command, and or start, restart, or stop. All you have to do is change the restart to start and stop. Okay. Then we have the ps command. This command is used to see the processes, and for more information you can always take help or man ps for the manual, and you can see from here that ps reports a snapshot of current processes. So let's quit and see how it can help. So if I type ps AUX, like show all the process of the user, and press enter, and you can see it just scrolled really fast. So I can always use the pipe symbol, and with the less command, press enter, and I can see all the root processes. Okay, now anything, let's say these are the PIDs or the process IDs. You can see the CPU utilization, the memory utilization, and lots of stuff. And this is really important for system administration. And this is how you get the process information. Also, if you would like to see the tree form of the processes, you can use PSAXJF key, press enter, and you can see all the structure and where it belongs. Okay, then we have this the proc like command. Like you can always cat like proc and CPU information. This is a handy command for system administration. Press enter and you can get all the information regarding your processor. And earlier I already told you other commands to check your baseboard and processors, but this is one of the most important command. Again, you can use this meminfo command for memory, and you can always use the pipe symbol with less. So this proc cat with the proc command, it's really important. And then it's a directory basically, but it's a real-time directory, like the changes are real-time. Then we can see how the top command work. This is another important command, top. It gives you all the processes, their PIDs in real time, and we have some keys which we can use. Let's say I just want to make it colorful, so I'll just press the Z key, the capital Z. Okay, sorry about that. Only Z, no need for capital Z, and it will just change its color, and Z again, and it changes itself back. Then if I want to see the memory information, I'll just press M, and you can see it's give me memory, like how much my total memory is, how much my swap is. L is used to check the load, how much load is there. By default it's showing you everything, but still if you want to see the load average, if you can see on the right hand last third, it's telling you the load average. Then if you want to see like how much CPU tasks it's doing, you press the T command is for tasks. Okay, so let's say you want to some process is there and it's like really bugging you. Sometimes Firefox do that in graphical users environment, and sometimes there are other jobs which you would like to kill and you cannot stop them. So let me show you how you can stop a process or kill a process with this top command. Also, first let me I'll quit this top with Q, and let me create a file. Let's say cat ps test.txt. let's say this, and need a redirector. Press enter and I'll type something. This is a ps test example. Press enter, and now instead of quitting I'll just press Ctrl Z, and what the Ctrl Z does is it sends this, it's instead of closing or saving this file, it's just saved it as a job. So if I press type jobs, press enter, and it will show that there's one process or one job which is running in the background actually, and I can bring it to FG with the foreground, this job, and it's still over there. It's not killed actually, or it's not completed. So again Control Z. Now I'll type top again, and I just want to see what kind of the PID of this job is. I'll just scroll down, and at the bottom you can see this cat command, and it has a PID of 24350. So I'll just type like I want to kill with K, press K, and I want to kill this 24350 and press enter, and it's asking for the sig term, and there are lots of signals, and to kill it we use 9 and press enter. More with this sig terms later, and you can see that cat is gone. Now let's quit and let's see if still there's a processor with a process running with the fg command, and sure, there's nothing. Jobs, no jobs. So that's how you kill a process with the kill command. Okay, now the last thing what I would like to show is, or share with you guys, is how to change the host name of your Linux machine. So in CentOS 6.5 or earlier versions, like the host name was the directory for host name was an etc sysconfig networks, but now it's changed to etc/hostname. And let me see, let's go there, etc and cat hostname, and we can see it's lzh project, and let's try to change this host name. Okay, so in order to change the host name, we use the hostname CTL utility. And how to use it, let's clear the screen, and I use hostname CTL set hostname, and I just want to change it to it pings, let's say dash project, and I'll press enter. I'll check hostname CTL status. Now it's giving me this static hostname. It pings dash project and some more information. My virtualization is Oracle, operating system CentOS. So it's giving me more kernel information also. So let's try to log out from here, and you can see that my hostname has changed. So if I just log in, okay. I forgot my root password. Anyway, we are in. So we can see that if this time I just check my hostname CTL status, so it's changed, and if I just cat the content of etc hostname, and it's changed. So that's how we change the hostname, and some really good information, like how to change the IP address, how to check the IP address, and processes and top command. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please subscribe and please do comment. Also, if you like to see like some more videos, please let me know, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.